friends, welcome to Nerella's kitchen. My name is Gagandeep. I am going to show you how to prepare veg noodles. Before we get into the process, I'll show you the ingredients. We have got onions, carrots, capsicum, 1 green chili, and some salt, 5 spoons of tomato sauce, 1 spoon of soya sauce, 1 spoon of red chili sauce, and for the taste we got some masala. Oh, I forgot the main ingredient. That's the noodles. We have boiled and kept the noodles over there. Now let's get into the process. Take one pan and then light the stove, and then take 2 spoons of oil. And we have to put the onions, then carrot, then the capsicum, then the chili. Okay, now I am putting the onions, then the carrot, then some capsicums, and then the last thing, the chili. Now we need to fry them for some time. Once the 4 ingredients are ready, like they are slightly fried, then we have to take some soya sauce, some chili sauce, and some normal tomato sauce, and then add some salt, then just fry it a bit. Till all sauces mix together. And now add the Maggi taste powder and start mixing it. Now we need to cover it. We need to wait until 1 minute. Then once it's ready, you can mix it a bit and then take the noodles. And once you put the noodles, you need to mix it. The noodles are ready. Now let's see how does it taste. Now I am going to taste the noodles. Yummy! The noodles came out good. And you can also try it at home. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, smash the like button, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe and ring that bell.